Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that Auto Brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can always go into Settings instead and tap on Display section after scrolling down. Now scroll down again and click on Brightness Level. After that, you can manage automatic brightness by clicking on this sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!